Mastering the hanging indent in Microsoft Word is your secret weapon for creating professional bibliographies and reference lists. When you're compiling a bibliography, the standard way to format each entry is with a hanging indent. This means the first line of each citation is flush with the left margin, and all subsequent lines are indented. Let's dive into how to achieve this effortlessly. First, make sure your ruler is visible. If you don't see it, go to the View tab and check the ruler box now. Select the text you want to format. This could be one citation or your entire bibliography. Observe the left side of your ruler. You'll see two small markers, one that looks like a little house, which is the first line indent, and another a little lower, representing the left indent for a hanging indent. We need to move these markers. Click and hold the lower marker, the left indent, and drag it slightly to the right, typically about half an inch or 127 centimeters. As you drag this lower marker, notice that the upper marker, the first line indent, stays in its original position. And there you have it. Your text now features a perfect hanging indent. This simple formatting trick makes your reference list much easier to read and ensures you meet academic style guidelines. By applying this technique, your citations will be organized, clear, and professional, saving your readers time and making your work stand out. Happy citing!